On the last video, I randomly met a fellow photographer named Mukul, and he kindly decided to show me some common birding spots around the area that I could visit myself the following day.
So yeah, usually what I do is I drive around here and I find a spot. Sometimes I just stop and I just, just one thing to keep in mind is when you stop at the side, always make sure that your wheels are inside the white line on the side.
Oh, okay, cool.
Because the sheriff, they will charge you otherwise.
Oh, you'll get a ticket?
Oh, for sure, they will definitely give you a ticket.
Okay, cool. Thanks for another tip.
Cool. This little spot here, this little parking lot over there, you can park there and then there's a little trail you can take to walk.
Oh, okay.
If you want to do the walking thing.
Cool.
You already see an eagle on your right.
Oh yeah, there's an eagle right there.
So when that happens, if you want to stop.
Wow, that's cool.
Yeah. Just make sure that there's enough space. So I'm not going to stop here because it's not enough place for me, so I'm going to just keep going.
Oh, okay. That is cool. And the mountains back there, those are the Cascades?
Yes, those are the North Cascades.
Oh, cool. Yep, that was an eagle.
And then we are driving to a place called Samish Island if you keep going this way. And that's another spot where, you know, spring is really good because a lot of rufous hummingbirds come by there.
Oh, nice.
We get rufous hummingbirds everywhere here in spring, but there's a couple of spots there that I like to go spring and summer to look. Oh, look at that. That is a great eagle shot for you.
Oh, that's right up there. Wow, right on the top of the tree. Time for an eagle shot here. And the farmers don't mind, huh?
Well, we want to just not test them. We want to get growing fast.
Yeah, don't linger too much. Let me take a quick shot of this.
And when you get out of the car, keep close to your car. Your silhouette, don't break it with the car.
All right. I won't even get out.
Keep your silhouette close to the car because the eagle might get scared and it might fly away.
I won't even get out of the car.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. That's a nice shot, actually.
No, it's a beautiful shot. I'm glad you're getting it.
Yeah. Cool. All right, whenever you're ready. We don't want to test these guys. Thank you.
Yeah, I mean, I don't want both of us to get shot. You know?
Right. One needs to get out and tell the story.
Yeah, exactly. If there's no car behind you, you can slow down and take another couple of shots.
Oh yeah. That is a beautiful shot, actually.
I'm glad you got it.
Oh, those are beautiful.
Nice. already worth it.
That's already worth my trip right there. My trip is already made. Anything from here on out is a bonus.
I think that was an incredible shot because of the light and the positioning and everything was picture perfect.
Yeah, I got the other shot, but it was on a telephone pole. It wasn't all that great.
Yeah.
Oh, here's
There's another one sitting up here.
Yeah.
Oh, I got to take a call. My wife's calling me.
No worries. Okay. So I'm getting the virtual tour. I appreciate this. It's a nice birding and photography fraternity. We're gonna get some bagels. No, actually, he said he likes a cream cheese Danish, which Jeff, you told me that bakery is really nice. So we're gonna go by there and then keep shooting. I pretty much have the rest of the day, so he's just gonna show me around on the spots I need to look for. And I can come back later because I have the entire day to drive around. So let's keep going around, see what else we find here. Samish Island is where we're heading. He said those are the North Cascades behind me, snow-peaked mountains. He's a nice guy. I'm gonna plug his Instagram down here. Super talented, man. I saw some videos of the owls he shot back there. I can only dream to get one photo like what he has. I think I'll move my car up a bit. Beautiful. This is just amazingly beautiful. How far is where you come from to here? Is it like a long drive?
So from my doorstep to where you saw the owls, it's about an hour and 15.
Oh, okay, not too shabby.
Not bad.
Yeah. This is called Samish Island. Samish Island. Oh, they've never thought to come anywhere like this.
Yeah, unfortunately tide is up right now.
Oh, you could usually walk all the way down there?
Yeah, you can walk all the way out there.
Cool. When I woke up today, I didn't know I was in for an adventure of my lifetime.
Yeah, you can go all the way to the edge if you want me to not be in the shower when you take your landscape.
Oh no, you're totally, as long as you're fine with it, I'm fine with it.
I'm okay.
Yeah. I am totally fine with it. Oh, it got icy.
Yeah, it's crazy, right? Look at this.
Yeah.
Look at all the ice. Wow. It's nuts, dude. Damn, look at this.
It's all frozen.
Ice. Look at this. It's so thick, I can't even break it.
It is all frozen. Wow, it's a whole layer of ice.
This is the part we should be very careful.
Yeah,
don't
don't
slip.
Yeah, don't slip. So you said that's Canada up there already?
Yeah.
And there's some birds in the water there?
Yeah.
So what time is the low tide? Probably in the evening?
Oh wow, that's a loon bird.
Is it loon?
Yeah. Damn.
You know, I've never seen a loon.
Well, you're gonna see one right now. There's a merganser also.
A merganser and a loon.
Yeah.
The white one? Where's the loon? The black one here? The dark one?
The dark one is the loon. And then the reddish one is the merganser.
Oh yes, it is.
And then there's a cormorant out there too. There's a goddamn kid too.
Oh, it's this doe.
Well, that was a female bufflehead.
Wow.
So now you got like merganser, cormorant.
And the loon straight in front of me.
Oh, that's the loon right there. The one that just dove?
Yeah.
Wow.
Careful there.
It's like all ice. Man, I hit the lottery back last year. I'm gonna have to play the lotto today.
Oh wow, look at all the mergansers. Dang.
Oh, that's a merganser that just dove there too, I think.
Yeah. And then, oh dude, you were in luck, man.
What
On
is
the
the
left
white?
side, I said you're in luck because on the left side, there's a couple of harlequin ducks and they're very beautiful.
These ones right here, these
Yeah.
two.
And then the bright white one is a male bufflehead. Buffleheads are more common, but the harlequin, you don't get to see them all the time.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the other hope or something.
Anacordas, yeah.
And a quarter. Because I was looking for those harlequin ducks too.
They're right there.
Oh yeah, I see it. Oh my goodness. So we have some loons back there. Harlequin duck. What else do we see? A bufflehead?
It's a bufflehead, a male bufflehead.
Male bufflehead.
Mergansers.
Mergansers.
Female red-breasted mergansers.
Oh my goodness.
I did not see a male yet.
These are all my first timers for me.
These are lifers for you?
These are all lifers.
Oh man, I'm honored.
Yeah. I'm playing the lottery. I won the lottery today, so I'm gonna play a super lotto or something.
So where that ship is, so usually left of that you see birds.
To the
Down
left?
there, yeah.
These down here?
Yeah, right there. A male red-breasted merganser.
Ah, the ones here was a female.
Yeah.
Crazy. What are these ships going? You said they're docking into somewhere.
They're probably going to Vancouver. That's what it looks like.
Some kind of sea.
Oh, it's a Gloucester winter. Regular citizens.
Oh, for here.
Yeah. That's the beauty of coming from a different place.
Everything is new.
Yeah.
Yeah. Absolutely.
I was in Vegas last week, and I was completely blown away by the Foster hummingbirds.
Oh right.
You guys get them in LA too.
Once in a while, yeah.
But to me, that was a flavor.
Right.
And the bird is there.
It's like an everyday thing.
Oh, what are you so fascinated about?
That was Samish Island. Ice. I'm glad I overdressed. It's cold.
There's no such thing as overdressing.
I have layers and layers and layers.
You're ready to survive. This is good.
Right? So that I'm over ready to survive. Okay, so we're off to the next spot. Found some mergansers back here. Harlequin ducks. And a male and female bufflehead we were just watching there. So let's see what else is in store for us. This has been such an amazing morning so far. It's only 10 o'clock. Join us next time as we leave Edison, Washington and head up north in search of birds.